All right, time to take a look at the magnetic wireless chargers. And these are 2 different colors, so I got 2 different boxes. So this one is the gray. And here is the white. Cool. So not a heck of a lot to them. I think the thing that I like most about these is just how small they are. Like if you're planning on doing some kind of like a DIY project where you can make a wooden box and you want to also turn that into a charger, you could just take these things and throw them in there like little tiny pucks. You can see how thin they are, and that'll work perfectly fine. So if you're just looking for a small surface that you can still use to charge your phone, these are fantastic. So you can see that these are 15-watt charging. They both have little kickstands, and they are magnetic, which means you can stick these directly to your phone, providing your phone is also magnetic. We got a USB-C charging port on the top, and the charging cables are also color matched, and they are USB-C to either USB-A or also USB-C. So you can use these whichever way you want. I really like these charging cables that have these adapters built in, because there are so many devices these days that are starting to come out with USB-C only. So having that compatibility really comes in handy. So very cool. Plug this guy in. Now, if my phone was magnetic, I could stand it up like that and just have it clipped on. Well, actually, that kind of works just like that, even though it's not magnetic. But even still, if it was magnetic, we could use that to hold this thing to our phone while it's charging, while we're watching it. So let's see how it does on here. Yep, and we are charging. And just to make sure. There we go. Yeah, they both work. And I'm not surprised. Colstar, they make really nice chargers. So overall, great little chargers.